Duct covers repair building. To conduct centralized repairs of duct covers of blast furnaces number 6 and 7, NLMK implemented a project for construction of a detached building. The building is intended for repairs of metal structures and replacement of lining of duct covers for cast iron and slag running. Duct covers are used to maintain the efficiency of foundry technological processes and increase the safety of personnel engaged in smelting products running operations. Construction of a heated detached building for duct covers repair will significantly improve the working conditions for the staff. To restore covers, they are transported from cast houses of blast furnaces to the repair building. The covers repair technological process is provided by a modular compressor station with dried compressed air and hot water supply racks. Lining replacement technology includes 3 stages. At the first stage, covers are tilted, lining is dismantled, metal structures are repaired, and anchors are installed under the lining. Prepared covers are transported to the lining application area. After applying the lining and refractory material of strength sufficient for transportation, covers proceed to the drying chamber. During the drying process, the control system automatically maintains the set temperature and monitors the chamber tightness. Implementation of automated systems allows maintaining optimal conditions for lining and drying technological processes. After drying, covers are transported to the cast house and installed on the duct.